see what is a service desk. It's a single point of contact. Plays a vital role in customer satisfaction. What is a customer satisfaction means? When customer is required some information or issues are occur, we have to provide a service. So service provider providing a service to the customer, but when customer required any inquiry or maybe information or maybe a change of service or maybe reporting to the issues, the service desk will going to support the customers to resolve these issues or resolving, giving information or change of required services, right? So that makes to the customer satisfaction. Just I'm giving out of one example, that is, you know, when these mobile phone things are came up, so almost like a 2000 time, okay, maybe you are a kids that time, okay, maybe born or not born, I don't know, okay. So that time these cell phones are came, small phones, featured phones, Nokia mobile phones, okay. So what happened? These phones, like most of the people, we want to buy a mobile, so they will tell you, okay, go for Nokia only. But that time Samsung is there, Motorola is there, some other companies also there. Okay. So why people say go for a Nokia phone? So because of the quality of the phone, the battery backup, okay, the robustness means like it may works for a 3-4 years without doubt. Okay. And a very important one is if you got any problem with your Nokia phone, there is a Nokia service center. Anywhere you can go, there is a service center is available. Even for small towns and villages, weekly once Nokia people come and do the service. Okay. Even the services are like, roadside mobile service centers also can able to repair it. If any parties get a problem, then they will be able to replace it. Okay, if you don't get a charger, then you can buy a common charger for it. Okay, batteries are got damaged, you can purchase a battery simple. Okay, so that is what it is makes people, if they got an issue immediately, they need a solution for it. Okay, and another words, few years back means almost like 10 years back, 10 or 9 years back, I purchased a Lenovo mobile phone. Now everybody is asking only one question, that is, so is the Lenovo services available? We thought Lenovo service is stopped. So if you are purchasing Lenovo mobile, so if any problem is occurs, who is going to be repaired? Okay. So why that question it is occurs? It's not about your mobile phone performance or not about a mobile phone model or a camera quality and all. So they will ask for service. Thing is, guys, whatever it is, it's a public related or maybe it is organizational related. The service provider providing a service, make sure that service is available always. And another one is the issues, any issue is occur or information is required, the organization has to be provided. That makes the people to help, like that will confidence on your organization. You said it is 100% work. Put a stop. 1 second. Sorry, just I'm talking to sir. Okay. So the thing is, make sure that the customer is getting service and any issues occur, you have to resolve. It coordinate activities between end user means the client and IT service provider. So what is a service desk? Is a coordinating SPOC, single point of contact means it is giving a coordination between the end user, the client and the IT service provider team. It wants logged request ensures closures of the requests. Meaning is it's logged requests from the client. Any issue or maybe any query or a request come up, so it will log into the ticket. And once it is resolved, it will close those records. So even I showed this one, right? So there is an issues are occur. There are certain issues still unopened. It should not be open like this. When it is occur, we have to resolve as soon as possible. And see this, there is a closed issues. When issues occur, first respond to the issue and start resolving issues. So this is an issue is occur. There is a issue is occur. So then what I have done, I change the priority and I given a response to it and give a proper solution to the customer so the issue can be resolved. Once it is resolved, close it. So that is a thing. And here it is some points about types of service desk. It is like a centralized service desk, local distribution, virtual and specialized service desk. Specialized service desk is a dedicated staff for the specific types of queries, okay, or specific type of client. We put a one team. So any issues are there, these are people responsible for that. Okay. Virtual service desk. It is virtual service desk is like a, you do call it like a toll-free number. Is actually there is no toll-free numbers. They will charge per 3 minutes, 1 rupee like that. Okay. So there's a guideline. It can be is issue can be resolved like maybe what kind of issue and do you want to directly talk? So then it is faster. The processing is happens. Okay, and as well as easy to approach, but cost is applicable. Local are distributed, guys. Organizations are distributed into different locations. And if you want to put a one centralized service desk, means every issue hits the service desk, you have to go through what organization, what project, what service, what support is like that. This will in the central one. But local one is costly, but still so every place we have it. For example, my client is location is in Hyderabad. So my service desk is also in Hyderabad, or maybe it is in India. Okay. So and any issue, my clients are located in different places in India. It is very easy to contact. Okay. So for example, my clients is in all over the different places, but the service desk location is one place. So it's language differences, communication differences, organizations. So there's small difficult it is there, but still it is the local is more efficient, but it is difficult to manage. Maintenance means higher staff members. Okay, understand the uh, means its resolution is faster, but it is cost effective. The more members are required for different locations, and only one centralized service desk if you put it. So everything is hits under service desk, and we have to differentiate depends upon the users and the client types also. So different types of service desk, it is not a very big deal. But thing is, understanding of service desk is important. And here it is, I put four things. What is the SLA violation, ticket holding, ticket transferring, and escalations. Just before going to that one, so how ticket will be generated or how it is can be handled. We'll take one example and do it. Okay. So I have a user. So the user is this Latif Cloud Learner. This is the user. Okay. So this user already we have tried with 3 tickets. I logged into this user. Okay. You can create the ticket, but this server can be accessed from our local only. If you are in our office, you can able to access. Okay. The email communication is there, but remaining communication is not. For example, I want to raise a ticket. So for example, I've opened a new ticket. Okay. So this is my user and password. I already logged in. So I want a report an access issue. Okay. Unable to access my remote Linux server with SSH. It's a clear-cut summary and summary. Okay, sorry. And details. This is as a client, I am getting this issue, so I'm raising this ticket. Okay, so I'm telling this is since morning I am unable to connect to my server with SSH till yesterday. It's working fine. Okay. So when I was telling like this, understanding guys, I am a client side now. So click on the create a ticket and it is created. Now it is at client side. I'm going to the server admin side. So this is admin side. I'm going to click on the ticket. So there you can see here is the ticket is occur. Okay. Unable to access remote client Linux server with SSH. From which user and what is the priority? The priority automatically defined depends upon the issue. So what I'm going to do is either I'm an admin, I will assign to the specific agent or maybe I will claim myself. If I assign to the specific user. Yes, understanding step by step.
Yes, sir.
Please make at least one selection. Okay. This specific ticket I'm assigning to either team or an agent. So I do not created any team. So then I am assigning to the agent. Agent is this agent. Okay. Please look into. I can give a note or otherwise no into the issue urgent. Okay. Or you no need to like just click an assign. That is enough. Okay. This user now assigned with this ticket. If we log in, so just I need another browser for login purpose because we have to differentiate which is user and all. Is agent, my agent is not able to log in. I have to check uh, dashboard, agent directory. Okay, agent email ID. Yeah, so agent is login. That EAGRP is the agent is login. Can you see? He got the ticket. If you see here, he has only 2 tickets, but admin has lot of tickets, which is assigned to the specific user. That agent that service desk agent can able to see those tickets only, not all the tickets. Okay, only these two tickets are assigned to this user. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm just opening this ticket. Okay, so I'm checking. Yeah, it is connecting to my server now. So already 3 access are happening. It may take little bit time. It's loading. Every ticket, either it is incidents or a service related ticket, every ticket has a ticket number, guys. That is a very important factor. Is a client is taking a lot of time today. Yeah, again try access. Depends upon the software to software, guys. The environment is different, but process is same always. So now I've opened the ticket. The first is I've opened the ticket. I read what is happened, unable to access remote Linux server with the SSH. And it is an open ticket. The priority is high. Support department when it is created. And who is the user, who is the client, and what is the contact. So sometimes telephone, sometimes software, sometimes email. Like what is the contact back? And the source is web. Through web is done, not through email. Okay. So here it is assigned to me and the SLA, default SLA, when it will going to be resolved. See, it is when it is occur 4th June, when it should be resolved 6th June. I got 2 days of time to resolve the issues. It does not mean you have to take 2 days, then we will think about it. It's not like that, guys. So when you have a time, then immediately. So we have to prioritize lesser priority, higher priority kind of stuff. Okay. And help topic is a accessing related issue. Since morning, I am unable to connect it to my server with SSH. Till yesterday, it is working fine. Yesterday, it is working fine. It means there is not at all a problem at all. Okay. So look into this issue. It is urgent matter. So we can change the priorities. If it is, I can say emergency priority. Okay. Okay. It is emergency priority. So I'm changing to, this is P2 ticket. I'm changing to the priority level higher because a client is unable to access the server because he has to upload something or maybe have to run something in it. Okay. It may be, maybe I thought based on the impact. So it can be an urgent server related issue, can be server related issue. So then it is, I'm updating this priority because when I update the priority, just check the thing. Okay. So the time is not changed. It is still, it is, we are giving this. So I update the priority also. And the client is also side. He will get it that updated information. So we didn't get it. So no problem. So we'll get, this is admin wise. All active recipients scanned are original message. Okay. Sorry for inconvenience. Sorry for inconvenience or inconvenience. We're looking into your issue as urgent. Issue will resolve ASAP as soon as possible. So that is, I have given a response to the thing. And if you look at ticket status is still open ticket, just post the ticket. Okay. So I given a response immediately when I open the ticket, I have checked the ticket and depends upon it, I given a response. So client will get that response automatically. So look at here. Sorry for inconvenience. So client is also getting. So I'm giving information to the client. So I'm looking into your issues. Okay. The next one is, so I'm checking, please confirm password changes and SSH key. Please confirm you have not changed changed any of server's password, SSH keys, your system date and time. Okay. So I'm asking that user, that is, did you change anything? Like I'm unable to, actually I'm able to access, today I'm not able to access. Maybe the user is change his password. Now he forget his password. Okay. Or maybe the key generation, he done some other key generation, he forget that key or he deleted the key, so he cannot able to access. He is using old key, but he cannot able to access. And it is a encrypted type of transmission, means date and time must be proper, otherwise we cannot able to connect. So I told that customer, that is, did you change anything like this? Okay, did he change anything like this? So please confirm you have not changed anything, or have you changed any of this server password? Actually, any word, that's why it is, your communication is very important. If you give small mistake here, the meaning will be changes. So my meaning is, make sure that you have not changed anything. Another word, another way also you can tell, did you change anything? Okay, so two ways you can able to explain. So the client is telling like this. Actually, I have changed my password, changed servers, account password, user account password, servers, user account password yesterday before logout. But he said, but it's working fine afterwards. But not working now. So point is, he didn't understand. He changed the password and it continuously working. Okay. But point is, morning he forget his password. Okay. So that is the client reply. And at us, the agent reply is going to give like this. Okay. Okay. So I have changed the password yesterday. So he changed the password and he forget the okay. I will reset password for you and check with the new password. So you can log in with a new password. New password. So for example, I log in to the server and I change the password, think like this. So I given a password like this. Your new password is admin hash 123 like this, for example. Okay. Try log in with the new password. Confirm you are able to log in or not. Okay. Still see ticket is open. So that is I given to the customer. There is spelling mistake here. Okay. This is agent and we go to the client and check it, just refresh it. So try logging with this password. So the client is trying to log in with password. Think is that he is able to connect it. Yes. Now I can be able to access the server. Okay. Yeah, thanks for your support. Customer not always clear. Okay. Remember guys, whatever it is, the customer may not be clear always, may not make you a more soft person. Okay. So, but whatever it is, we should understand what exactly happened and we have to communicate with him to solve the issue. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, what I'm trying to say, to resolve any issue, it can be application related, or maybe it is a backend support related, it can be server related, cloud related. Anything is important to understand what is an issue and make sure that get more details to resolve the issues. So you should understand, narrow it down. So what is the issue? There are several things are there. That's why I told. So password changes, or maybe SSH keys, or maybe date and time changes, or maybe the VPN connectivity related. So it can be several kind of stuff. Okay. So I posted, yes. So thanks for your support. Issue is resolved. Issue is now resolved and confirmed by client side. Okay. Now it is so confirmed by client. So I have to know, right? So then just refresh here. The ticket refresh only. whole page refresh is not required. And why it is slow means my Linux machine, of course, it is working with the good memory only, but point is this is a server, my OS ticket application is running here. Okay. So one is the admin login here, okay, and one web service, okay, web. Another one is agent login. Another one is the client login. So it is little load on the server, and it is lower weight server. It is okay, and the Linux itself it's running with the GUI because that GUI will take more RAM processing network burden is there. So I have to increase my server capacity also is important. Okay, that is not happens. Why? Because I'm maintaining in my local machine. This is only for our class and understand. That I created. This is for a experience. We got one experience people project. So there are worked in a service desk. Some are worked in a real time. Some are only basic support. They don't understand the terminologies. So we created and for that one. So finally, issue is resolved. Okay. So then I can give him thanks for confirmation. Okay, you can give him thanks for confirmation and for resolving your issues. Okay. If you want the department signature issues like that, yeah, like that you can give if it is there, nothing otherwise. So you can say solved. You can say issue is solved. So it is open ticket earlier. Now it is solved. Issue is solved, not yet closed. So I will close it again. Okay. First reply. The issue is resolved. See, it is gone from here. Why it is gone from here? Anybody? Because list is open ticket list, not resolved or closed ticket. The closed tickets not showing. So I have to check all the tickets, all my tickets. Only assigned to me. Where is my ticket? It is solved, but it is showing overdue ticket, answered ticket. I will go to this search. Okay, answered ticket. Wait. It is resolved. That's it. Okay. It's gone from here, and it will go to this. You will try search. Here it is. It is thanks for confirm and closed by this one. See, can you see closed by? Issue is closed, and so status of close is resolved. Okay. When it is occur, guys, 2:48 p.m. So the time is different. So I have to check the time again. Okay. So don't worry. It's not actual time. That is server time. It is 2:48 p.m. And when it is resolved, 3:08. So how much time it is taken to resolve? Almost like a 20 minutes, right? This totally it take 20 minutes to resolve the issues. Ticket will be reopened on the post. So if I give post like this, it will be reopened. So I'll go to the tickets. See, the open tickets are gone. Okay. The total tickets it will see. So the closed tickets, if you go, this is solved. Created, solved. Issue is resolved. This is client side. So what about the admin side? What about the admin side? Where is the ticket? Gone because it is open ticket. Go to the closed ticket. Today one ticket is closed. See, this is a closed ticket. So you can say resolved or closed. Change the status to closed. So issue is completed. I am changing status to closed. It is already closed. Closed. Okay. Client confirm issue is resolved. Is it itself or by support? Both are there. Sometimes issue is raised, but after some time it is resolved. I'm supporting one guy. So is last time I said how to install a Docker application in the Linux. So when he is trying, so it is showing that is error. It is showing when he creating some containers kind of stuff is showing errors. So what happened? We don't understand. We'll give you support. We'll next time tomorrow we'll going to remove and reinstall it. And next day we connected it and it just testing once more. Then it is working. So issue is occurred and it is resolved itself. That is also there. This in the closure, you have to write if in case any issues occur, but while you are troubleshooting before you are resolving itself, it is resolved itself. That is also you have to write in the closure. Okay. The tickets are one closed ticket in this week, in this month, like this it is shown. Even in a dashboard. So how many tickets are pending, what are the status created, kind of stuff, you can see it. Okay. This is admin side and this is the other side. Okay. Yeah, we can I didn't close, but it has to be shown here, the closed tickets. Okay. And only one ticket is waiting. Okay. Still it after. So from Neha, this issue is occur. So it's normal and support. Okay. BSOD. Guys, understand the total life cycle, what happened?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here it is. Very good. Very good. Everybody satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for your confirmation. Okay. So he got an issue. Is a Latif cloud. Okay. Some accesses problem is occur. He raised the ticket. What is admin is done? He assigned the ticket to EIGRP. EIGRP is a protocol and I like that protocol very much. To remember the protocol information, okay, I created an email account with that one. Okay, so then it is useful for me and this is the agent. So he talked to this client and chat with him. So about understanding what exactly happened. And finally, I given a solution, then it is working fine. Once the ticket is came and assigned and now it is resolved and it is closed. So this is what happened exactly. Okay, I've opened different screens, but still it is the point. I think that is a good one. Yeah. Anyway, we've opened this environment, right? So I'm going to tell these 4 lines also. Okay. First one is SLA violation. What is SLA violation? Guys, whenever the ticket is occurred, okay, see the date and time, the ticket is occurred. If you see, so answer overdue is there. You can see there is a overdue tickets also there. Okay, certain issues I didn't resolve by the time. Okay, when issues occur, depends upon its priority, the response time and resolution time is there. You have to resolve the ticket before the resolution time completed. Before the resolution time is completed. Okay, that's why I showed when it is completed. Okay, see, depends upon agreement between your service provider and the client. So there is a response and resolution time. When ticket is comes, immediately you have to give response. Okay, and you have to resolve the ticket related things within the given resolution time. If you're not done, for example, within a 1 hour, this ticket has to be resolved. 1 hour crossed, 1 hour 5 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. You violated the ticket. SLA violation. That is called a SLA violation. Within a given time, the service desk person has to be resolve the issues. It is called a, okay. If it is not, then it is called SLA violation. Depends upon the person. So if you do number of violations, it is problem 5. Second, another important, if you got a problem, nothing, just you will go out of the organization, you will search another job, you will find it. No problem in it. Okay. But sometimes if multiple violations are occurred by the service provider will face an issues. Okay. So that's why they will take that issue as a serious. That's why. So first of all, clear understanding of issue is important, analyzing the issue and respond according to it and resolve within the given time. Okay. Okay. If in case, if it is not yours, don't take much things as a challenge. Don't be a hero. Okay. So if it is that technicality is not in your hand, that is maybe it is higher than you. Maybe you are not getting an idea of about it. Escalate it to the other team. So if possible, talk to your admin and escalate it. Talk to your admin and escalate it. That's the point. In case of the technicality is not up to you. And in most of the organization, that too big organizations have a list of issues and solutions. So automatically any issues occur, there is a list of issues are there. That is called KEDB, known error database. Search in the known error database, find out a solution, try to resolve the issue. So don't go for SLA violation. Some people, wantedly, we will do it later. Okay. So they don't mind. So girlfriend call me, then I will go and call like that. It is, they will do it. So that sometimes it will happens for any person. Next one is ticket holding. If you understand ticket SLA violation, you can easily understand ticket hold. What is a ticket hold? For example, same issue. What is it is? A client is unable to access a server with a SSH protocol. Maybe he required some special permission. Maybe he required to change the password so then he can able to connect. Maybe the user has to be added to some admin rights. Then only he can able to access. Okay, that is not on you. For example, as a service desk person, you may check few things, but as you are a level, you may check things. So you cannot give additional permission to the user. Okay, that has to be go to that another team. For example, there is some separate admin team is there who is going to be decide can we give permission, additional permission to access this user or not. So what you will do, you will transfer, you will put this ticket, you'll give that information, you will to the another team of members who can able to give a permission to change his password. Or maybe they're going to change the password and update it to you. What happened? So, for example, ticket has to be complete in 4 hours. First hour, you are investigated, completed. For example, morning 11 o'clock, you got an issue. Okay. So now it is 12 o'clock, 1 hour completed. Okay. So you try to figure it out what is an issue. So it's already 12 o'clock. Now you find there is some specific permission or maybe change of password or a user account um, has to be changed in that one. So that is not done by you. Some other team has to be do that one. What you have to do? You have to send that to the other team. Now you send it. Okay. Now it is 1 o'clock. They didn't give any response. You sent for some permissions, some changes. to other team. Those people actually they are authenticated to do it. But 1 o'clock, they are not responded. Now how many hours are completed? 2 hours completed. 2 o'clock, still issue is they're not completed. You are waited for 3 hours completed. Now, if it is a 3 o'clock, 4 hours completed, ticket violation, SLA violation. So you want to avoid this SLA violation because it's not on you, because someone has to complete the certain part of task, but they're not doing it. And you're waiting and time's up, SLA violation. Okay. Obviously, you are the person who is going to be responsible for that one, right? So what you will do it at 2 o'clock, I hold the ticket. In my application, holding option is not there. So understand, hold the ticket. At 2 o'clock, I hold the ticket. The clock is stop ticking. Okay, it shows 3 hours completed. That's it. Clock is not ticking. 3 o'clock, I'm done. Still clock is not ticking. 4 o'clock, clock is not ticking. Okay, so now at 4 o'clock, these people responded and completed the task. And they told this work is completed to you. Now you can unhold the ticket. You can unhold the ticket. How much time is left? Now how much time is left? Still you have 1 hour. Normally at 3 o'clock only your 4 hours time is completed. But now it is 4 o'clock. You are unhold the ticket now. Still you got a 1 hour to resolve the issues. So the task completed and do it and issue is resolved and close the ticket. So it won't give any ticket violation, SLA violation. So I written something guys, but understand what I'm told. What is a ticket hold? To avoid SLA violation, sometimes you need certain approvals or certain part of task has to be done by some other team. Okay, so then it may take time. So it may take time. They are also busy, or maybe there are have so many other issues. Okay, so it may take time to do it, but you have to complete an on by time. So what you can able to, you can hold the ticket for a certain period of time. Not exactly means still the approval or maybe task has to be completed by other team. Once it is done, then you can unhold the ticket, follow up and complete the task. So it won't give any SLA violation. Understand guys, what is SLA violation and ticket holding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Two more things are there. Already have seen, that is a ticket transferring. What is a ticket transferring? So for example, you received a ticket. You received a ticket. But problem is you are working on some other thing. You received a ticket and the clock ticks. You have to give immediate response. You give a response and the clock will start ticking. Okay, its ticket is in your bucket, so you have to resolve it. But you have some urgent work. Maybe it is like some other installation work is there. It is taking more time, so you cannot able to resolve this right now. You have another issues. It's taking more time, or maybe you have to go somewhere to some, or maybe you have an urgent meeting. So you cannot resolve this immediately. So there is a team meeting is happen, like maybe you have to attend some client meeting. So you cannot able to resolve this ticket right now. So you can transfer the ticket. You can transfer the ticket to other person. Okay, you can transfer the ticket to other person. Sorry, no, this is done right. You can transfer this ticket to other person in your team who is having a knowledge on this type of issues. First of all, you have to discuss with this person. I got this ticket, and this ticket is about something like a this connectivity issue. Okay, so make sure that this guy is having a knowledge on this type of tickets. Okay, and we have to discuss this person like a. So I'm transferring this ticket to you. So can you handle the ticket because of I have some other work to do. Completion is there. So if he agrees, so then you can transfer the ticket to him. So he's going to check the ticket and try to resolve the ticket. So now the ticket is not on you. And mainly, guys, generally don't do like that in any industry, because when you are login in the day start and day end, how many things you are handled, everything is monitored. If you transfer, that is not your ticket. Okay, that is important. First one is. Second one is, of course, that is a safe one way. And don't do like this. One is, if you have some urgent work, so you have to go out, or maybe you have some meeting, or maybe some you have to talk to your boss for some time, and there is a ticket is occur, and you immediately tell your friend, because you're all friends, one friendship is there. You told your friend, say, look, log into my system and check any ticket is there, please handle now. What he's done, he log into your system, open the ticket, you try to resolve it. If everything is good, good. But sometimes other person done some mistake. That is your mistake. So never give your login credentials to others, or don't give your work to others. If you something problem is there, you can transfer it. That is okay. But don't give your credential, resolve yourself. I have some other work. Don't do like that. Second one is reverse. Your friend say, so I have some work. I have to go outside. So then please log into my account and check the tickets and resolve the tickets. Help me for some time. If anything is there, ask him to transfer to me. I will handle it. Okay. So like that only. So don't take others. Don't give to others, because something problem is occur. It is on to them. If you share your credential to others, it is not right one. Okay. If you take others credentials, that is also not right one. Okay. So that is the point. I'm personally, it happens in the organizations. So we have to be careful with the people. Most dangerous thing is the people. Okay. Not a work, not a technology, not anything. Okay. Only dangerous people in this world is the people on itself. Okay. So you can transfer the ticket. For example, I have gotten issues. So there is a claim agent merge like transfer. Make at least one. So I can select, I got this issue, I have some work, so I can transfer to a person like a department, I can transfer. So just click on the transfer, reason for the transfer, and click transfer. It will go to that specific thing. Okay, this is the transferring. Okay. Another one is escalation. Already I told escalate. When we do escalate, guys, if you are working in L1 and the technical knowledge for to resolve that issues are in required certain credentials to resolve the issue, means some logins are required. So you do not have, you have to change some person's service. You may not have a credentials to do it. So then you have to escalate to the specific team or specific numbers, those who are having that things. Okay. So that is called a escalation. So when you do escalation means from L1 to L2, L1 to L3. So that is escalation, depends upon understand an issue, understand technical difficulties, and then you can transfer. If it is not in your hand, then you can transfer. Okay. So I hope you understand these two things also. Understand, guys, transferring, escalation.
Yes, sir.
And there is a terminologies are there, guys. Example like what is an event, what is an alert, what is incident, what is workaround, problem, change, service request. These are the basic terminologies, but deep explanation about each and every one is everything is there. Okay. So we're going to stop here for now. Okay. So again, once again, I will go back and these points compulsory that the definitions are important. So what is a service desk? Important is what is a service desk? What is a ticket? And what are the types of tickets? And next one is priorities. What is service desk? What service desk will do? What is a ticket? What is the types of ticket? Okay. What are the priorities? As I said, this thing will help to understand those kind of stuff. Okay. And this one in this video also, it is about a priorities and response time and resolution time, SLAs also there. So that will give clarity. That's compulsory. Questions are there, guys. Okay. And it is compulsory, helps to doing your work also. Okay. What about a admin service desk manager? What is SLA? What is OLA? What is UC? That is also important part. Okay. Those things are very important. Remaining is important, but what I told, those things are very important. Okay. And these are also next important kind of stuff. What is a incident? What is problem? What is change? What is service request? Event, alert, incident and service request differences are important. Okay. But I'm going to stop here now. I will check with your sir if it is possible. Then I will take afternoon your technical class. We'll continue your afternoon technical class. So then I will cover all these things. Otherwise, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. So once it depends upon our schedule. So we'll discuss in afternoon or maybe we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. And yeah, that's it. Okay. If it is there, I will inform you. Afternoon class is there. You can join me. Otherwise, he will going to take care of your soft skills. Okay. Currently, I don't know the situation. So that's the point.
Sir, can you please share the recording classes of yesterday's and today's?
Okay. Yesterday,